Hey everybody, it's Dr. Jamie. Welcome to the Fit and Fabulous compound here. This is where I get my workout in every single morning, but I'm here to make a super special announcement. We have officially hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and over 100,000 downloads of the Fit and Fabulous podcast. Seriously, I owe every single part of that to you. You sitting right there in the chair watching this video right now. I could not do this without all the amazing people in over 100 countries around the world making the Fit and Fabulous podcast and YouTube channel such an amazing success. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Also, I want you guys to weigh in. What are the topics, who are the speakers that you want to hear from? If you just throw those in the comments right now, I'll take a look at them and we can plan together for the future and where we go from here. So once again, thank you from myself, from the bottom of my heart for making this a success. Go ahead and click, download, like, subscribe. You guys know what to do. You've done it already before. Thank you so much.